Hello everyone. So this is the second part of our discussion on the volume of the solid of revolution. So I will introduce another method which is the shell method. Kung sa disk method, ang ginawa doon is pina-revolve yung region about the x-axis and we have created a solid. Dito naman is sa y-axis naman siya. Okay? So suppose f is continuous and non-negative function on the closed interval AB with a is greater than or equal to 0. So we have a restriction for a. So if this is our graph, so suppose a should be greater than 0, no? And b is somewhere here, for example. Okay? Then, the solid S obtained by revolving the region R equal to the set of points xy, where x is in between a and b, and y is in between 0 and f of x. So that is above the x-axis. So suppose this is our curve here. Ayan, pag ganyan siya. So therefore, our region is somewhere here, right? So that is our region R. So ang gagawin is ipapa-revolve natin siya about the y-axis. So dito siya, no? So if ipapa-revolve natin siya, meron tayong reflection sa kabila. Ayan. And suppose here, so yung curve natin is somewhat like this, ganyan. And we have another cylinder dito. Okay? So yung curve, yung region natin is something like this one. Okay? So naka-revolve siya. So kayo na bahala mag-imagine, no? Okay, so something like that. Okay? So yun yung mga problem na isosolve natin in this lesson. Okay? So in solving the volume, we have v of s is equal to 2 pi times the integral of x f of x dx evaluated from a to b. So ito yung formula na gagamitin natin. Okay, so disclaimer lang, hindi ako masyadong marunong mag-drawing kaya kayo na yung magbahala mag-imagine basta ni-revolve siya. Okay? So para siyang cylinders. Okay? So ayan. So example, ito. The region R bounded by y equal to x squared and the line y equal to 0, which is the x-axis, and x equal to 3 is revolved about the y-axis. Find the volume generated by the solid. So again, i-graph natin siya, si y equal to x squared. Alam na natin yung table of values nito, paulit-ulit na lang. So we have this 0, 0, 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2. We have 4, 1, 1, 4. Okay, so we have suppose 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, negative 1, negative 2. Okay, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. So, negative 2, 4, 1, 1, negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. Okay? So, this is our curve here. Ayan. Okay? So, that is y equal to x squared. Next is the line y equal to 0 is the x-axis. And x equal to 3 is nandito. Okay, so x equal to 3. So somewhere here. So ito yung x equal to 3. Okay, so therefore mag-meet pa yan doon sa taas pala at when x is 3, lagyan lang natin, x is 3, we have 9. So somewhere at 9, suppose nandito si 9, nandun yung point of intersection, no? Ayan. So, this is now our curve or region. Okay. So, this is the region na ipapa-revolve natin about the y-axis. Okay? So, therefore, yung form ng ating solid is something like this. If you can imagine, pag ganyan siya, tapos nandito. Okay? So, ayan. Something like that. So, nandito siya. Yan. Yan yung solid. Nag-revolve siya. Okay? So, therefore, to solve the problem, you need to identify our curves na gagamitin. Si f of x ay ito. Ito. Tama? Yung nasa taas. Okay? And that is actually x squared. And our leftmost value ng x is 0. Nandito. And yung sa y is si 3. Therefore, v of s is equal to 2 pi times the integral of, nandito yung formula, x, our f of x is x squared, dx, okay, from 0 to 3. Okay? So, from that, this is now 2 pi times the integral of x cubed dx, evaluated from 0 to 3. So, this is now 2 pi times integral of x cubed is x raised to 4 over 4, evaluated from 0 to 3. So, this is now 2 pi times 3 raised to 4 over 4 minus 0 raised to 4 over 4. So, 3 raised to 4 is 81. So, this is 81 over 4 times 2 pi. So, that is 81 over pi, 81 pi over 2. Kasi makakancel yung 4 and 2. So, 2 na lang yung matitira. Cubic units. So, that answers our problem for the first example. No? Okay, so I think that is clear naman siguro. Now, let's try another example. Ito. Y equal to x cubed and the lines x equal to 0 and y equal to 8. So, suppose by one, ano lang tayo, one interval. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, kasi until y equal to 8, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay? So, x equal to 0 is just the y-axis, right? So, that is x equal to 0. Then, y equal to 8 is here. So, this is your line. Okay? Y equal to 8. Okay? Since yung ating interval or yung solid natin is naka bounded na by x equal to 0. So, sa y equal to x cubed natin, magsa-start tayo kay 0 na lang siguro. So, this is x, y. So, tatlo or apat na lang siguro. 0, 1, 2. Okay, so, hanggang 2 na lang siguro. Kasi kung 3, masyadong malaki yung value. So, this is 0 cube is 0. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. So, masyadong malaki yung 27, no? Pero until 3 lang tayo. So, this is 0, 0. 1, 1 here. And 2, 8. So, here. So, this is now our curve. Ayan. So, this is the region na ipapa-revolve natin. Okay, about the y-axis. So, we have this one here. So, parang ganito siya. So, may ano dito, reflection, tapos may solid. Ayan. Okay? So from that, dapat, in this case, as the theorem states kanina, dapat yung function is from 0 to the curve or from the x-axis to the curve. Now, in this case, may dalawang curve. Itong y equal to 8 and tsaka itong nasa baba. So, dalawa yung involved. Okay? So, in this case, ang kailangan natin is again, yung curve na ito. Right? So, yan. Now, if i-consider natin yung sa taas lang, itong y equal to 8, cylinder yung makukuha natin. Ganyan. Right? Kasi yung straight lang sa taas. At pag ang i-consider natin ay yung x cube lang, ang makukuha natin is ito lang sa baba. Right? Pag ganyan. Okay. So, itong nandito. Okay? So, kung i-deduct natin to, kunin natin yung difference, di ba itong nasa loob yung matitira? Ito? Ito yung kailangan. So, therefore, to solve the problem is, we have V of the solid that we want, the volume, and this is volume of the first solid minus volume of the second solid. Now, in this case, we have this is 2 pi integral of, suppose this is for f of x, the first curve, x f of x dx from a to b, and this is 1, suppose g of x ito, we have 2 pi integral of x g of x dx from a to b. Now, since the same may 2 pi, so pwede natin siyang i-factor out, 2 pi. And since the same yung interval, pwede nating i-combine. So that is x f of x minus x g of x, right? dx from a to b, or that is just 2 pi integral of, pwedeng i-factor out si x kasi common, f of x minus g of x dx from a to b. So, parang washer lang din siya, 'di ba? So, ima-minus nyo lang or isa-subtract yung dalawang curves involved. F of x is the upper function and g of x is the lower function. So, in solving the problem, we have v of s, or the volume of the solid, is just 2 pi times the integral of x times our upper function is si y equal to 8. So, we have 8 minus, yung nasa baba is si x cube. Okay? dx evaluated from, this is 0 to 2. So, we have 0 to 2. Okay? So, simplifying, that is just 2 pi times the integral of 8x minus x raised to 4 dx from 0 to 2. So, we have 2 pi times the integral of 8x is 8x squared over 2 minus x raised to 5 over 5. Evaluated from 0 to 2. So, from that, this is just 2 pi times 8 times 2 squared over 2 minus 2 raised to 5 over 5 minus 8 times 0 square over 2 minus 0 raised to 5 over 5. This is just 0. So we have 2 pi times, so this is 4 times 4, so 16 minus, this is 32 over 5, right? So, ayan. So, this is now 2 pi times, so this is 80. So, 80 minus 32 over 5. So, we have This is 48. 48. So this is 48 times 2. So you have 96 over 5 pi cubic units. So that answers our problem. Okay? So ayan. Now, actually there's another way to solve this one. As you can see, para siyang disk method din. Pero sa y nga lang. Tama? So look at the figure here. Para siyang disk, right? Pero in terms of y. So therefore, parang yung ginawa natin sa area, pwede siyang in terms of y. So kailangan lang nating ibahin yung form. So instead of sa disk na volume of the solid is equal to pi times the integral of f of x square, right, dx from a to b, ang gagawin natin is in terms of y. So that is pi integral of f of y squared dy from c to d. Okay? So in this case, dapat in terms of y siya. So therefore, sa dito, this is y equal to x cubed. Dapat in terms of y. So isosolve natin yung x in terms of y. So kunin lang natin yung cube root. So that is x equal to cube root of y. Tama? And also, our intervals, instead of 0 to 2, magiging 0 to 8 na siya kasi nga sa y tayo titingin. No? So therefore, this is just equal to pi integral of f of y natin is cube root of y, or that is y to the 1/3 square dy from 0 to 8. Tama? So from that, this is now pi integral of y to the 2/3 dy from 0 to 8. So integrate lang natin. That is pi times, so plus 1, so that is y raised to 5 over 3 over 5 over 3 evaluated from 0 to 8. Okay? So that is actually 3 over 5 pi. So nilabas ko lang ito para hindi tayo malito. Okay? Then we have y raised to 5 over 3. Okay? From 0 to 8. So from that, this is now 3 over 5 pi times 8 to the 5 over 3 minus 0 to the 5 over 3. Right? And we can rewrite this para hindi tayo malito. 3 over 5 pi is actually times, ito is cube root of 8 raised to 5. Ito is 0, mawawala lang yan. Now, cube root of 8 is just 2. So therefore, this is 3 over 5 pi. So this is 2 raised to 5 times 32. Right? 32 times 3 is 96 over 5 pi. So the same answer yung lalabas. Okay? So therefore, that completes our solution. You can either choose the first one, ito shell method, or yung disk method in terms of y. Okay? So that ends our discussion in this topic.